Hello guys, I just wanted to record an intro for the upcoming, the video that upcoming, and the electricity is off, and I decided to go to the window. The sun was just up in a minute, and now it's completely gone. So that's why the light is a little bit dim. I'm like almost out to the balcony, whatever. So this video I'm gonna show you in details the Pomodoro app that I'm using and give you kind of a quick review about it. It wasn't meant to be a review, but it's really good one. I really recommend it if you want to use the Pomodoro app. This is the best one I used it so far. I really love it so much, and I'm gonna show you the benefits of removing social media and take your time and your power back to yourself. And have my cat just right here, hey, hello. And I'm gonna show you in details in statistics. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the difference between before and after, and what I'm feeling right now, and what removing social media really do for you and your time, your energy, and everything. So I really hope you like this video, give you motivation. So let's go. Okay, hi everyone. So as you can see, this is my Pomodoro app. It calls Milki, and a really good one. I use a lot of Pomodoro apps, but this one is the best so far. So I'm gonna explain in this Pomodoro the difference that you can see on the screen right now and on the chart as well. So this is my chart, and there's different stuff here, like the other people that are in my profile and everything. So there is a free version and a pro version. I use the free version actually from this app, but it's really good. And it's not a review about the app, as it's the benefits of have no social media right now. I don't use social media as I used to be, when I used to use it before. I still didn't download the Facebook app because it's the most usable social media that I used to use all the time, wasting a lot of time on Facebook for nothing. And actually I didn't delete my account because my page and everything linked to it, but I just removed the app from my phone. And now I'm gonna show you the benefits of removing the unhealthy social media if you want to focus on yourself. Especially I really want to have a complete focus in this last 3 months of the year. I began removing all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and I don't use Twitter. So these are the main social media app that I removed in October. And then I downloaded Instagram because it's linked to my YouTube, so I really need it to share some stuff. I have TikTok. I didn't remove it because I don't use it that much. I don't scroll on TikTok because I'm not a TikTok girl. I'm more than a YouTuber, so it's not something that really takes my time. So it's nothing for me. But Facebook is the main thing. So I still uninstalled the app. It's still uninstalled in my phone. So the benefits of doing that, at the end of October, I guess the last 2 weeks from October and November, and today is 19. Okay, it's the 19th of November, and so far, as you can see, this is a chart of the week. So every day you have the number of the Pomodoro that you have. Of course, you can change it from Pomodoros and hours, but for me, I love to leave it at Pomodoros. So as you can see, this is my main focus. This is the home page of the app. So you have the start here, which is the 25 minutes, and the break, which is the 5 minutes. I don't use a break actually. I just use a Pomodoro after Pomodoro. And if I want to have a break, normally I take a long break, half an hour or an hour, eating or doing anything. But I don't use a break. I always use the start. To change it to other minutes, a different numbers, you need to have a row membership for this app, but for me 25 is more than enough, so that's what I'm using right now. So as you can see the difference, see this green is where I exceeded the number of the Pomodoro every day. For me, I just stay on 7 Pomodoro per day like normally, except for the Wednesday, which is the main work day for me. So I don't put any work day on Wednesday, and as you can see it's completely going down just like this. So it's 7 nothing and just going up. On Thursday, because it's like I still have half of the day at work, so I don't have a lot of Pomodoros, so I have only 3 Pomodoros on Thursday, and then I'm going back to 7 and the rest of the week, and nothing on Wednesday, and just going 3 and then 7. So that's the like a minimum number that I set for myself for the Pomodoros per day. Okay, so as you can see, all these green right here is what I did the last couple of days from Monday to Friday. This is the number of the Pomodoros that I use. Of course, Wednesday, like I am at work, but I took my laptop with me. I took my MacBook Air with me. I got it like specifically to take it with me at work so I can edit and do stuff on my Mac while I'm at work, like in my free time. So that's why I have like 3 Pomodoros there. I should have more because I have it with me, but normally I sit with my friends, so that's why I have only 3 there. On Thursday, I came back home. I'm feeling very tired. Normally, you want to chill and just take a shower and chill with myself and do stuff. But normally, I love to do some workout as well. So I have 9 on the last week, on the last Thursday. As you can see, Friday is my main focus. Just like I woke up early in the morning, I begin to work because I really wanted to like make up for the previous days, as you can see. So I had a lot of focus in Friday. Saturday, which is yesterday when I recorded this video, it's yesterday. As you can see, I didn't meet my 7 Pomodoros because I was out. I wasn't at home the whole day. I was traveling the whole day. I was on the road the whole day. So of course, I don't have any time to have like complete my Pomodoro. But I have these 5 on the Friday evening, actually, after 12 a.m. So I had 5 Pomodoros. Like I was like staying late at night editing and doing work, so I did these 5 Pomodoros at night. I just went to sleep like 3 a.m. so it was like a very productive night for me. So that's why I have 5, but the whole day I wasn't at home, so that's why like I should have nothing in my Saturday, but I still did something. Today, I'm still in the beginning of the day, so I have 3 Pomodoros done by recording this video right now. Of course, I should doing Pomodoro while recording this video, but because I'm recording right now, it's nothing. So when you click start, as you can see, start counting down your Pomodoro, and as you can see, this this thing is nothing right now. I guess the app needs to be like be developed more, but doesn't matter, it doesn't do anything to you. So as you can see, it's counting down the recording or the Pomodoro itself until it's completely finished, and then they have a ring for you telling you the Pomodoro is done. So that's it. So I'm gonna cancel it right now. Yeah, cancel session. I don't want to do it. I will do it after I finish recording. But this is what happened when I removed social media. So there's a lot of time. So comparing, of course, the last like couple of weeks, it's not recorded here, but it's recorded here. As you can see, when I started, as you can see, I have 195 extra Pomodoro in the last couple of months, like extra from what I set for myself. So that's a great thing. And as you can see, there's still a daily Pomodoro here, the chart of the daily Pomodoro that we saw in the first page. And then there is a weekly Pomodoro, and as you can see, on the last 5 weeks, I did great. Like all green, just as you can see above the line, it's very, very good. So this counting the number of Pomodoro that you made every single week. And I need to make like 38 Pomodoros per week. And as you can see, I have 100 and 14, I have 80, I have 558, 677, and in the 6th week, which was on September actually, that was before removing my social media, and this was before like have a lot of focus on myself. I wanna just be me and focus my whole energy, 100% of my energy into myself, invested completely into myself. That was in September. And again, my friend died in the beginning of September. He passed away, so it really hit me so hard. So September was a very bad and very sad month for me. And afterwards in October, at the beginning of the 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks of October was bad. It was red, like going down. I didn't do anything at the beginning of this month actually, but as you can see, I hit a very good amount of Pomodoro. Like it's 259 Pomodoros in October, and I did that only on the last 2 weeks. So in 15 days or like 20 days, I did all these Pomodoros. So it was a great success. Of course, it's not recorded here because all the data is just like collected to the monthly Pomodoros. But I'm telling you, when I started removing social media apps, I began to have like a huge amount of time. You have no idea. I just like sometimes I sit and just think like how many hours that like was wasted, like really wasted in social media, like doing nothing. And as you can see, in November, we're still in the day number 19 in November recording this video. I am already done 237 Pomodoros. So I'm so excited to complete this month. I guess it will be way longer than this. It will be more success than October. I'm so happy. I'm feeling so calm. I'm feeling so amazing inside, guys. I'm feeling so peaceful, joyful. I feel blissfulness. It's amazing feeling because I removed myself from all the tension, all the negative energy, all the wasted time, and then had all my energy back to myself again. It really helps me a lot to achieve a lot of things that I thought that it was so hard to be done. I clean my whole house in no time, and I still have so much power and so much energy, so much focus to do my work. I have a lot of idea right now. I need to create them, and I'm like doing steps, like I'm having steps doing them. And as you can see, there's kind of a leaderboard thing, okay, for the people who's in on the app. Some of them actually so have streaks, the number of the days in the streaks that I am on number 182. Okay, and as you can see, I have daily Pomodoros. They have numbers. This is like kind of like a hero chart for you to compare to yourself with other people who's on the same track with you, and just get motivated to do more. For the monthly Pomodoro, I am number 74, and for my lifetime Pomodoros, I am 482. My number, of course, like freedom always on the beginning of each month actually. No, he become 3 here. Like freedom, he is the most famous one actually. So as you can see, this is the first people. Anyway, I don't use this part a lot actually, so my main focus in the charts to see my progress, to see what I'm doing. And on the main page, of course, you can change the setting. There's a lot of things. So actually that was a kind of a review for this app, but this one is the most productive, most beautiful app that I ever used for Pomodoros. I used so many apps, but it wasn't that detailed. This app is amazing. I really love it so much, and I really hope the developer like make more of it, so it'll be more nicer. Because the benefits, I am already at gold. Like I'm gold. You can go pro. And this you should have more benefits, but you don't have anything yet. So I guess the developer need to do more for this one. So hello. Okay, this is new. I didn't see that before. Okay. Let me see. So that's great. Okay, so now we're going to the editing or the setting that you need to do. So there's nothing new actually. So this is the where you change the number of the pomodoros, choose whatever you want. Okay, so and you collect the hours and the pomodoros that you use. So yeah, basically this is a beautiful app. So if you want to focus on yourself in the last days of November and in December before we start new year, because like new year always gives us as like a new beginning and a new ideas, inspiration, motivation, like it's new start. So you can do that actually in like a month and a half or maybe less than that. I did a lot. So this video is the benefit of removing social media that wasted your time, taking your energy, drains you out, and like take you to a deep shit of a negative rut, to have more time to do your dreams and your goals and focus on yourself and be happy and be positive and optimistic and feel amazing every single day. And it's not gonna process, and you keep doing this every single day, you will feel way amazing every single day than the day before. So I really hope you like this video. I'm so sorry it's kind of long, but I really wanted to tell you everything, and I really wanted you to give you the feeling that I feel. I'm so excited, I'm so optimistic, I'm so happy more than ever that I have my time back. And I know there is still a lot of wasted time, but like the focus keep growing stronger and more focused every single day. So I'm so happy with what I'm doing. I'm so happy with my progress, and I really hope this video will give you something to go for. So as you can see, I'm so happy for all those greens. I'm sad for this a little bit of like small red things. Of course, in the monthly Pomodoro, I can see the difference, like the start point and my month that I was so sad. So as you can see, there's a huge difference. There's a lot of green and it's a very good color as well. So yeah, this is this video. I really hope you like it, and I really hope it give you motivation to go and chase your goals and achieve your dreams. I love you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you soon in my next videos. Bye.